Hey there, car enthusiasts. We all know that engine repairs can burn a hole in your pocket. But what if I told you there's a simple trick to avoid those costly repairs? It's as easy as checking your engine oil, and today, I'm going to show you how to do it like a pro. Don't worry, you don't need to be a mechanic to keep your engine running smoothly. Let's get under the hood and make sure your car stays in top shape. Why checking your engine oil is important. First things first, why bother checking your engine oil at all? Well, think of engine oil as the lifeblood of your car. It lubricates, cools, and cleans the engine, keeping all those moving parts working together like a well-rehearsed orchestra. If your oil level is too low, or the oil itself is old and dirty, you could be setting yourself up for some serious and expensive damage. Regular oil checks are the secret to making sure your engine runs smoothly and avoids breakdowns. So, let's get to it. What you'll need. Before we dive in, here's what you'll need. Just a clean cloth or paper towel and about 5 minutes of your time. That's it. No fancy tools, no complicated equipment, just your attention to detail and a quick check. The simple trick to checking oil, like a pro. All right? Now let's break down the process, step by step. Here's the simple trick that makes all the difference. Start with a cool engine. Make sure your car has been off for a little while. Checking oil when the engine is hot can give you inaccurate readings. And besides, we don't want to risk any burns. Pop the hood, locate the hood release lever in your car, and open the hood. You'll find the oil dipstick near the engine, usually with a brightly coloured handle. Pull out the dipstick, gently pull the dipstick out all the way, and wipe it clean with your cloth or paper towel. You're about to get the real reading in just a second. Reinsert and pull again. Now, fully reinsert the dipstick back into its tube, and pull it out again. Check the oil level. You'll see markings on the dipstick, usually full and low, or some variation. The oil should be between these two marks. If it's below the low mark, it's time to top up. What to look for beyond the level. It's not just about the level of oil. You also want to check the oil's colour and consistency. The oil should be smooth and slightly amber. If it looks dark, gritty, or smells burnt, it's time for an oil change. Clean oil means a happy engine. Topping up and staying on track. If your oil is low, it's easy to fix. Just grab the right kind of oil for your car, check your owner's manual, unscrew the oil cap, and pour it in slowly. Make sure to add just a little at a time and recheck the dipstick to avoid overfilling. Keeping your oil topped off and fresh is the key to avoiding those nightmare repairs down the road. So there you have it, the pro's way to check your engine oil and avoid costly repairs. It only takes a few minutes, but it can save you big time in the long run. Remember, taking care of your engine is as simple as keeping the oil in check. Stay on top of it, and your car will keep running smoothly for miles to come. Drive smart, drive protected, and keep using Mobil. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on keeping your engine in top shape, no matter what the weather throws your way.